Hey guys, I lost my phone. Actually, I lost my iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I lost it at the outpost sockets. I think like it's where nearby, like diagonal crossing. So that's a very crowded places. So I lost it, and then as soon as I lost it, I went to the Apple store, which is very near, like along like only 1 minute's walk. So I went there, and then like I signed out all the information and like do the lost modes and everything. So yeah, and then it's a bit of hassle because I have to call to the bank. All my financial information are in my note phone, so everything I have to log out and like make sure like he or she cannot be accessible. So yeah, I did everything, and then this is the next morning. So, well, like as soon as I lost it, it's like I went to Apple store and like I did it, and then after that I purchased a new phone, like 15 Pro Max, which is unexpectedly because I never wanted iPhone Pro 15 Pro Max. The reason being is like I don't necessarily need to upgrade because 12 Pro Max is still working fine for me. So yeah, and then but this morning I found that a location, so I am now going to there. I will show you where is it. Okay, I will show you where is it. So basically, oh, that's why we come in here. Please wait here. So like these are all my items, and then like all are in here. You can see like let me check. So all my things are here, but this is my lost phone, so it went to this way. So which is like, don't know, it's like 50 minutes like walk, sorry, 30 minutes like to go to that place from my current location. So yeah, it showed me there like 2:23. So I am now going to there. I don't think I can get it back. So if I get it back, it would be cool, but I don't think I can get it back. So yeah. So now I arrived to the place where my iPhone is last found. So I'm now going there. It's a bit exhausted. It's because of that one. You see. So there's those there make me exhausted. Anyway, I'm going now. So I hope for the best. I mean, this place is not like abandoned place. So it's like the high street. So there's lots of people on the street. So I mean, it make me say if something bad happen. I mean, so yeah, that's it. So I'm now going to there. So yeah, hope for the best. I went to the place where my phone was left found, which is like it's kind of like a big house, but in front of that there's a kind of like repair shop in there. So my first clue is like I think the people who stole my phone went to that repair shop, and then yeah, maybe like they just encrypt my device and everything, erase all data or something like that, like they can sell it back. So this is my very first clue, but unfortunately like they closed today, Sunday. I will be going on tomorrow, so I will check with them. I mean, there is like 0% chance to get back, but let me try as much as I can. So yeah, so now I'm in the Chinatown, so I feel very depressed. I mean, not depressed. I feel like very, how to call it, like actually not very good. So I eat. This is all I can do. So I will eat. So this is like crab. No, like crab. Sorry, duck seafood fried rice. So yeah, and then I order another shallow pong. So yeah, we'll eat that, and then after that I will eat ice cream later on. So I think like this month I think I'm spending too much money. Well, what else I can do? So yeah, that's it. So I will go tomorrow to check my phone. That's it. So I was thinking to go this morning. I mean, this is Monday today again, but like I want, and then like before I go into there, I was a dilemma between like what else I have to ask to them. What if like I saw my phone, And then what can I do? Will they give me back or not? So like it's for me like it's kind of waste of my time. So I am deciding to do reporting to police. So I'm about to call to the police. I don't know. This is my very first time like reporting to police for some case. Not even like this kind of cases. This is my very first time. So yeah, I'm about to call to them now. Okay, let me open the speaker.
Thank you for calling 101. We're connecting you to Metropolitan Police. If you require an alternative force, press hash.
Thank you for calling the Metropolitan Police 101 service. If you wish to report a crime that is happening now, or someone is injured and in need of urgent medical attention, or in immediate danger, please hang up and dial 9. If you wish to speak with an operator and report now, press 9. For the main menu. We are currently experiencing high call demand and there may be a significant delay. All of our operators are currently dealing with emergency calls.
Should I hang up or? Cool. So that is it. So I think I'm gonna report via the email. Well, I will call to them again, but I will do the reporting via the email. So I'll check it online and then I might be reporting to them. So this is the only thing that I can do for now. So yeah, that is the story of my lost phone. So yeah, it's such a heartbreaking one, but I cannot do anything, right? And then like I have to be more cautious when I go into crowded places. So especially like this time around, like Christmas time, there's a lot of people, and then also on the shop what they said is like shoplifter not welcome, these kinds of things. So yeah, need to be extra cautious, and then even in like city of London, and then like Oxford Circuit, Piccadilly Circus, these kinds of area are like very crowded. So yeah, that's it. So I will keep update in the next vlog if I have any update, but for now I think I want to be that is it. So thank you for seeing it, and then please, if you are whoever living in like not even in London, if you're going to crowded places, please be careful, be cautious, everything. This is the must thing you do, and then yeah, that's it. So especially your phone, your wallet, everything. Okay, everyone be safe and see you in the next vlog. Bye.